Hello, in today's video it's going to be a how-to video on how to change the bush in a Bolens G14 pedal. Quick disclaimer, this is how we do it. It's not necessarily the right way to do it, but it's our way of doing it. And we will be doing this on our 1975 Bolens G14, which, as you can see, is a very wobbly pedal. So now I just need to get it up onto the bench. We've got it up on the bench. With these brake pedals, there's a shaft that goes all the way through, supporting the steering quadrant. And the bushes on that seem to be fine. It seems just to be the brake pedal. This is the bush we're going to be using on this tractor. The shaft is 5/8 in diameter, which is quite a common size. But on other tractors we have used these thinner bushes. Step 1 is to take off the footrest, which is held on by two 9/16 bolts. Once the nuts are off, it should just come straight off, like that. Step 2, disconnecting these two rods. You can do this one of two ways, by taking off the split pins here, or how we're going to do it, taking off these two bolts and separating the pedal from this bracket. There we go, that's both of the bolts out and off the bracket. Now on to step 3, taking the actual brake pedal off. So what we're going to have to do for this is taking off this split pin. There's the brake pedal off. I just cleaned up this so you can see the old bush in the pedal. We've got a bit of pipe and we've put the brake pedal in the press, and we're now going to use the press to push the old bush out. Step 5, putting in the new bronze bush. We're doing this from the back because the bush needs to be level with this plate here. This is the new bush in the pedal. And now we need to put it on, but before we do, I'm just going to put a drop of oil on. Step 6, putting the pedal back on. Step 7. Put the washer back on and put on a new split pin, which is advisable. The split pin is now in. Next step is to bolt it back up to the plate that's got attaching the two rods. The last job is to put the footrest on. The job's done and there's no movement in the pedal. The bushes aren't very expensive and it doesn't take very long to install one. So there's no excuses for not doing it. So now we need to look around on our other tractors and see what other tractors need it doing. But that's all we've got time for today. Thanks for watching. Please comment. I enjoy replying to comments and always do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye.